Welcome back, everyone. If you're new to the channel, my name's Josiah and I trade stocks and cryptocurrencies for a living. And if you hate making money, this is not the channel for you. If you like making money, if you like learning about stocks, crypto, and investing, you're going to want to hit that subscribe button. Do me a favor, hit the like button. Helps me get these videos out to more people. Now let's dive into it. I'm so excited I can hardly contain myself. I'll be honest, this is one of the biggest days I have ever had. So we made, without giving away any numbers, we made a fortune today. We're going to go over that. Make sure you stick around to the end. We're going to talk about the market just a little bit, go over our plays, and cap off our ROI for the week. You're just not going to want to miss it. So let's talk about the market. First things first. Market absolutely crumbled down today. I said this morning's video that we could see a little bit of a bounce back. However, we had broke some technical supports, and it would not surprise me to see the market continue down. And did it ever? We had the S&P down 1.44%, Dow Jones down 1.07%, and the NASDAQ down 1.76% on the day. Just absolutely crushed the market downward. We had, let's see, Bitcoin here closed out right around 20,000 today. So it didn't crash down as hard as the market, but we did have a huge retracement overall in the markets today, and it worked out absolutely amazing for all of our positions. So to start with, we talked about, I sold one of my Coinbase puts yesterday. Should have hung on to that. But we still had the 59 strike. Ended up selling it today. Let's see. We had it at $6.45, which is $645 a contract. Sold those today at $7.50 for a 16.2% return. Absolutely massive. Super excited about that. But then the cherry on top is we had our UVXY calls that we bought last week. We bought those at 50 cents at the $5.50 strike, and of course the UVXY went absolutely ballistic today. Run up, I can't even remember what we hit for a high. I know that I was doing some moving right around the 630. Looks like we got all the way up to 683 today. Absolutely massive move upward, and I sold those calls right around that $6.30 range. Sold those for $1 a piece, which was a full 100% return on our investment on that trade. Picked those up for 50 cents a piece last week. Sold them for $1 today. That is huge. So super excited about those. Those made us a lot of money. I had quite a few of those, and they did very well for us. The UVXY, of course, absolutely blowing up. Not in my trading account, but where we've been loading up on the UVXYs, those just absolutely blew up. Good chance I'm probably going to get assigned on all those contracts I sold, but we made a nice premium, and if I get assigned, we sold those at the, or had them, the contracts written for the $5 and the $5.50. We had an average down below $4.50, $4.47 on our average. So gonna make absolutely great money on all those shares, as well as the premiums that we sold them for. Super excited. You know, that's one of the keys. If you're sitting here trying to sell covered calls and you're married to that stock, you don't want to lose it, then, you know, be a lot more conservative. For me, not married to the stock, I'm just looking for that profit. I'm looking for that move. I wanted to make the premium, and I wanted to make a nice gain on the stock. I'm perfectly happy making those gains. Super excited. So all in all, we had an amazing week. We did quite a bit of trading. We did a lot of moves this week, so we had a lot of money invested over the week. And so when I tell you the ROI here in a minute, it's absolutely going to blow your mind, because our portfolio just, it went up phenomenally. And I will say, I won't be doing much trading next week, because most everything in my trading account, I actually sold some put options today. Wrote some put contracts on Signature Bank. Now, Signature Bank absolutely got crushed. You've heard me talk about Signature Bank on here before. I love the company. I absolutely see a lot of growth in the company long term. But Signature Bank down over 22% today. And the put contracts were selling at a premium. So let me pull it up here exactly what I did. Looking at the $60, get this changed over to puts. Looking at the $60 strike price on Signature Bank. Now, these things was selling for $8.10. That is $810 a contract for simply tying up $6,000. I pretty much put 100% of my trading portfolio into this, and I'm super happy. By doing that, that allowed me to put a lot of capital in. I mean, this is a safe investment. That is like a guaranteed 13.5% return on my money with an expiration next week. And worst case scenario, I get assigned to these and I get to own Signature Bank for $60. I'll be honest, I was already looking at this company yesterday, thinking to myself that if they come down under $70, I may consider picking up some. And at $60, super happy with that. I absolutely see. Maybe I end up holding them for a while. Maybe I end up holding them for the next 12 to 24 months. That's fine. I absolutely see the stock going back up over $200, which at $60, we're talking about 300% on my money. So if I end up having to bag hold it a little while and tie my money up on this for a 13% immediate gain on my money, plus the fact that I see this going 200-300% over the next 12 to 24 months, I'm happy with that. And if I don't get assigned, then we made that 13.5% premium with zero risk. I'm perfectly happy not trading my account next week, just getting that guaranteed gain. You don't normally see that kind of gain by doing this strategy. But today was a black swan event for them, and we were able to get that, so I'm super excited. I actually called it out over in my Discord today. Had a couple of people commented on it. Super happy. We're going to talk about that a little bit more later because I know they wanted some more information. Overall, I guess I won't hold it up anymore. We made 138.7% ROI on our money for the week. Really happy about that. Like I said, we had quite a few moves. Really happy with that. And we've already locked up a guaranteed 13.5% on our entire portfolio for next week. So, like I said, it's been a big day for me. We're definitely celebrating. Eating some ribeye steaks tonight. It's been amazing. I hope you had a great week. Join me tomorrow. Oh, let me make sure, if you did not catch my video this morning, I kind of went deep this morning on a video. It wasn't as much about stocks, but it was very important. If you missed it, be sure and go back and catch my video from this morning. It was called Breaking Chains. You're definitely going to want to see that. I believe everyone should get that message. So if you haven't seen it, give that a listen to. Now, that's all I got for you this afternoon. Be blessed, and remember, never trade with your emotions. Always trade by the numbers.